Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making Shiitake Mushroom Lamb Burgers. In a large bowl, add the ground lamb meat, shiitake mushrooms, garlic, ginger, red onion, cilantro, oyster sauce, sriracha, and mix well. Form into 4 patties and place onto a baking sheet. Spray both sides of burgers with non-stick cooking spray. Grill over high heat 2 to 3 minutes per side or to desired temperature. To assemble, add the burger to the bun and serve with your favorite toppings and condiments. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.